Don't miss out on quality broadcasting. Please like and subscribe to Bigg World Cinema. And now that we're monetized, please don't skip the ads. Thank you. Hi. Carry on with your dancing. Are you dancing? You TikToking?
Yeah.
Well, carry on. Don't let me put you off.
Okay.
That was great. You're looking lovely. You look lovely, ladies.
Hi, arigato. Thank you.
Arigato. I'm not Japanese. I'm English.
Hi.
What are your names, lovely ladies? What are your names? What are your names? Yumi.
Hi.
And you?
Angel.
Angel. Of course you are. You're an angel.
Crystal.
Crystal. Are you all from?
Nice to meet you.
I'm Philip.
Hi, Billy. Hi.
Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. You're all lovely ladies. Are you all from Davao?
Davao, yeah.
You're all from Davao. What are you doing in Davao? What you?
Ano, may pata
What's happening?
Funeral. There's funeral.
Oh, funeral.
Yeah. Ano?
Yeah. Whose funeral is it?
Can you go?
Just watching the video is pointless unless you subscribe. Thank you. My head is high, I can reach the sky. It's nice to be serenaded. It's lovely. I know for you. I think that's Hello. You're looking good. Hello. Where are you from, lovely ladies?
India.
I know. Whereabouts in India? Where? Which state?
Which state?
Which? Tamil Nadu. Whereabouts in Tamil Nadu? Mysore. Chennai. Okay. Lovely. I've been there twice. Twice I've been there. What's that? Super. It's a wonderful place, and you're very beautiful people.
Thank you.
What are you doing here? What are you doing?
Studies, MBBS.
There's lots of people from Chennai in the Philippines. So Chennai is empty now. There's nobody there. Everybody from Chennai is in the Philippines. You're studying medicine. I knew it. I could tell. How is it? Is it good? You're enjoying yourselves? And what year are you in? The same year or different years? What?
Same year. All
How many years have you been here?
This is the first year.
This is the first year.
Yeah.
Where are we now? December. When did you arrive?
December.
Oh my goodness. 3 weeks ago. And first time in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And how do you feel about it? What is your experiences so far? Is that good? Okay, are you missing home?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. So did you know each other before you came to You're all in the same college in Chennai? Yes? So you all know each other?
Yeah.
That's good. So at least you're all together. That's lovely, Lee. That's lovely. I'm sort of videoing you. I hope it's okay. I'm videoing you. Okay. I have a channel. I'll give you my channel name, and then you can all subscribe and double my figures for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Beautiful ladies. Beautiful ladies. Beautiful ladies. Thank you. Check.
Wanna taste my ice cream?
What's that? Oh, no thanks. Hiya.
Welcome to my guys. Welcome to my life.
Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Please, sir, can I check your bag?
Sure. Good afternoon. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you. Hello. And Merry Christmas to you too. Over here. Hello. Nice pants. Hello. Thank you.
Yes, my friend.
Beda apa? Bihos.
Hello. Sure. Thank you. Thank you very much. How are you?
My goodness.
Yes. Good haircut. Good haircut. Good haircut. Where are you
My
from?
name is Yasin. Wow.
Jason.
Yes.
Jason. Where you from Davao?
Welcome to my Davao.
Is it your Davao? Is it? It's your country. It's your city.
Oh, artista.
Jason's city.
Artista.
He's an artist.
Okay.
He looks good. Yeah, she's hiding. Take care. How is it? How is it? How is business? Marika, don't be silly. No one's shy. It's an excuse being shy. You're beautiful. How is business? What's that?
Getting good.
Are you getting some good sales? Marika, everyone says they're shy. Don't be silly. What's that? There we go. I brought you business.
Ilan eh? One cake?
If you liked the video, please could you like, share and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Take care everyone.